Meaning of hackneyed.
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 Hackneyed. The term hackneyed refers to something that has been overused to the point of becoming cliched or lacking in originality. When an expression, idea, or phrase is considered hackneyed, it has lost its effectiveness due to overuse. This can result in a lack of impact or significance for the intended audience. In other words, if someone uses hackneyed language, they are not conveying their message in a fresh or compelling manner, which can hinder effective communication. Therefore, it is important to avoid hackneyed language and strive for creativity and originality when communicating.